What if the secret to fresher, cleaner air in your home was sitting in a flower pot? Most people think indoor plants are just beautiful decorations, but some plants do much more than brighten a room. They can help trap dust, increase humidity, and create a healthier indoor environment while making your home feel more peaceful and inviting. Imagine walking into your living room after a long day and being greeted by lush green leaves that not only look stunning but also help refresh the atmosphere around you. The best part? Many of these plants are incredibly easy to care for, making them perfect even for beginners. Today, we're exploring 7 amazing indoor plants that have earned a reputation for helping improve indoor air quality while adding natural beauty to your home. From elegant flowering plants to tropical palms and nearly indestructible favorites, there's something here for every plant lover. Stay until the end, because the final plant is one of the easiest and most versatile houseplants you can grow. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large house, these plants can help transform your indoor space into a greener, fresher, and more relaxing sanctuary. Let's get started with our first incredible air-friendly plant. Plant number 1, snake plant. The snake plant is often called one of the toughest houseplants on the planet, and for good reason. Its tall, upright leaves feature striking green patterns that instantly add style and elegance to any indoor space. Whether placed in a bedroom, office, or living room, this plant makes a bold statement while requiring very little attention. One reason the snake plant is so popular is its ability to thrive in conditions that would challenge many other plants. It tolerates low light, bright indirect light, dry air, and even occasional neglect. If you've struggled to keep plants alive in the past, this could be the perfect choice for you. The thick leaves can help collect airborne dust particles, making it easier to keep indoor spaces feeling fresh. It also releases moisture slowly into the air, contributing to a more comfortable environment. Caring for a snake plant couldn't be simpler. Water only when the soil becomes completely dry and avoid overwatering, which is the most common cause of problems. With minimal effort, this plant can remain healthy and beautiful for years. If you're looking for a stylish, low-maintenance plant that fits almost any home, the snake plant deserves a place at the top of your list. Plant number 2, spider plant. The spider plant is a cheerful and fast-growing houseplant that has been a favorite among indoor gardeners for decades. Its long, arching green leaves create a fountain-like appearance that looks beautiful in hanging baskets, on shelves, or displayed in decorative pots. One of the most fascinating features of the spider plant is its ability to produce baby plants, often called spiderettes. These tiny replicas hang gracefully from long stems, giving the plant its unique and recognizable look. Over time, a mature spider plant can create an impressive display of cascading greenery. Spider plants are known for being incredibly adaptable. They thrive in bright indirect light but can also tolerate lower light conditions. Their dense foliage helps trap dust particles while naturally increasing humidity in the surrounding area. For beginners, this plant is almost impossible to beat. It grows quickly, recovers well from occasional neglect, and rarely experiences serious problems. Simply keep the soil lightly moist and allow excess water to drain freely. Another advantage is how easy it is to propagate. Those baby plants can be rooted and grown into new plants, giving you endless opportunities to expand your indoor garden. With its playful appearance, easy care requirements, and refreshing greenery, the spider plant remains one of the best choices for any indoor space. Plant number 3, peace lily. The peace lily combines beauty, elegance, and practicality in one stunning package. Known for its glossy dark green leaves and graceful white blooms, this plant instantly adds sophistication to any room while creating a lush tropical atmosphere. One reason homeowners love peace lilies is their ability to thrive in lower light environments where many flowering plants struggle. This makes them excellent choices for bedrooms, offices, and apartments with limited sunlight. The large leaves help collect dust from the surrounding environment, while the plant also contributes humidity to indoor spaces. This can make rooms feel fresher and more comfortable, especially during dry seasons. A unique feature of the peace lily is how clearly it communicates its needs. When it becomes thirsty, its leaves droop dramatically, After watering, the plant often perks back up within hours, making it easy for beginners to know when care is needed. Peace lilies prefer consistently moist soil, but dislike sitting in water. Bright indirect light encourages stronger growth and more frequent flowering. Beyond its practical benefits, the peace lily is simply beautiful. Its elegant white flowers contrast beautifully with its dark foliage, creating a timeless display that complements nearly any decorating style. For anyone seeking a graceful indoor plant that offers both beauty and functionality, the peace lily is an excellent choice. Plant number 4, Boston Fern. If you want your home to feel like a lush tropical retreat, the Boston Fern is an excellent choice. This classic houseplant is famous for its long, feathery fronds that create a soft, cascading display of greenery. Boston ferns naturally thrive in humid environments, making them particularly well-suited for bathrooms, kitchens, and other moisture-rich areas. Their dense foliage helps capture dust while adding refreshing humidity to indoor spaces. Unlike some low-maintenance plants, Boston ferns appreciate a little extra attention. They enjoy consistently moist soil and higher humidity levels. Regular misting or placing the plant near a humidifier can help keep the fronds healthy and vibrant. When given proper care, Boston ferns become incredibly full and lush, creating a dramatic focal point in any room. Their graceful appearance softens hard edges and brings a sense of tranquility to indoor environments. Bright, indirect light is ideal for healthy growth. Avoid harsh direct sunlight, which can scorch the delicate leaves. With the right balance of moisture and light, Boston ferns reward growers with spectacular foliage year-round. For plant lovers who enjoy creating a rich indoor jungle atmosphere, few houseplants can match the beauty and elegance of a thriving Boston fern. Plant number 5, Areca Palm. The Areca Palm is one of the best indoor plants for bringing a tropical paradise into your home. Its elegant arching fronds create a light, airy appearance that instantly brightens living rooms, offices, and entryways. Unlike smaller houseplants, the Areca Palm can grow into a large statement piece, making it ideal for filling empty corners with vibrant greenery. Its lush foliage creates a relaxing atmosphere that feels both luxurious and welcoming. One of the reasons this palm is so popular is its ability to increase humidity levels indoors. During dry seasons or in air-conditioned homes, the extra moisture released by the plant can make the environment feel more comfortable. Areca palms prefer bright, filtered sunlight and evenly moist soil. While they require slightly more water than drought-tolerant plants, they are generally easy to maintain with consistent care. The graceful movement of the fronds adds life and energy to a room, making it feel more connected to nature. Many people use Areca palms as natural focal points in interior design because of their impressive size and tropical beauty. If you're looking for a larger indoor plant that combines elegance, freshness, and a resort-like feel, the Areca palm is one of the best options available. Plant number 6, Rubber Plant. The rubber plant is a bold and stylish houseplant that makes a powerful visual impact. Its large, glossy leaves create a dramatic appearance that fits beautifully in modern, minimalist, and contemporary interiors. One of the standout features of the rubber plant is its broad foliage. These large leaves naturally collect dust from the surrounding environment, helping maintain a cleaner indoor atmosphere when wiped regularly. Rubber plants are surprisingly easy to care for despite their impressive appearance. They thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer soil that dries slightly between waterings. This makes them a great choice for busy plant owners who want beauty without constant maintenance. As the plant matures, it can grow into a striking indoor tree, adding height and structure to a room. Its rich green leaves create a sense of luxury and sophistication that enhances nearly any decor style. Beyond aesthetics, the rubber plant contributes to a calming indoor environment. The vibrant greenery helps soften living spaces and creates a stronger connection to nature. For homeowners seeking a plant that combines easy care with dramatic visual appeal, the rubber plant delivers both style and practicality. It's an excellent addition to any indoor garden. Plant number 7, Pothos. Taking our top spot is the incredibly popular Pothos. Often called the perfect house plant, Pothos is loved by beginners and experienced gardeners alike because of its remarkable ability to thrive almost anywhere. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves create a beautiful cascading effect that looks stunning on shelves, hanging baskets, desks, and plant stands. Available in several varieties featuring green, gold, and variegated foliage, Pothos adds color and texture to any room. What truly sets Pothos apart is its adaptability. It can tolerate low light conditions, irregular watering schedules, and a wide range of indoor environments. Even if you occasionally forget to water it, this resilient plant usually bounces back quickly. Pothos contributes to a greener indoor environment by adding humidity and helping collect airborne dust on its leaves. As the vines grow longer, the plant becomes even more impressive and decorative. For best growth, provide bright indirect sunlight and water when the soil begins to dry out. However, don't worry if your home has less than perfect lighting. Pothos can still perform remarkably well. Its combination of beauty, durability, and easy care makes it one of the most recommended houseplants in the world. If you're only going to choose one plant from today's list, Pothos might be the ultimate winner. There you have it, the 7 best indoor plants to help create a fresher, greener, and more inviting home. From the nearly indestructible snake plant to the elegant peace lily and the versatile pothos, each of these plants offers its own unique beauty and benefits. Remember, while houseplants can contribute to a healthier indoor environment, they work best alongside proper ventilation, regular cleaning, and good airflow. Think of them as beautiful natural companions that help make your home feel more comfortable and alive. The best part is that you don't need to be an expert gardener to enjoy these plants. Most of the species on today's list are beginner-friendly and require only basic care. Start with 1 or 2, learn their needs, and gradually build your own indoor jungle over time. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted by vibrant greenery, cleaner-looking spaces, and a calming connection to nature every single day. That's the magic indoor plants can bring. Which of these plants is your favorite? Do you already own any of them, or are you planning to add one to your collection? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant care tips, gardening secrets, and indoor plant inspiration. See you in the next video!